Okay, then we can go for translational and circular repeats.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm just going to change the default grid linear edit to XY plane. Okay. Okay. See, in this, we will see first translational repeat. Here also we have that option, circular repeat. That you can take from geometry also, translational and then circular repeat. Okay. So here I'm just going to draw like this. One beam we have created. Okay. I'm just selecting that beam and just going for translational repeat. And which direction you want it in X direction. Now I'm just going for how many steps? I am just going for 3 steps. In between spacing, how much? I will give 3 spacing. Now you need to click link steps. When you click link steps, it will also link horizontal member. Otherwise,
Yeah.
see, first we will see only one. First we will go for only one without link steps. See, it is not linking it. So we need to manually do. Otherwise, what you can do, select it, go for translational repeat. So put 3 and then 3 here, link steps, and then open base. If you're not putting open base, even in the bottom also it will be linked.
Okay.
Now I'm just clicking open base and then click OK. Can you able to see in the base it is open, but in the top it is like closed.
Yeah.
Now we can just see if you are selecting like this, translational repeat, and I'm just going for 2 steps and then 3 meters. You should not put link steps. Why? Because we also selected the vertical member. And you need to see which direction. It is in Y direction. That is also important. Like this we are getting. Now we will go into Z. So we will get now we completed 2D frame. Now we will convert that into 3D frame. So go to Z and I'm just going for 3 and then I will give for 3. And then now we can go for link steps and open base. Now it will convert into 3D. Go for rendering and we can able to see our structure. Okay. So translation repeat, you are okay now. So you can do in all directions and you can do like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will see circular repeat. So go for circular repeat. Okay. For that you need to draw something different. For example, I am just going to draw like this. Okay. Now I am selecting only these two. I'm just going for circular repeat. I'm just going for 360 degree and I'm just going for number of steps. How much? I will go for 3. Okay, node. Which node? This particular node. Okay. And then I'm just going for link steps, open base, click OK. Can you see? Because of link steps, we are getting this also.
Okay.
Open base. Okay, I will select these two, circular repeat. I'm just going for 12. Now I'm just going for link steps, open base, this particular node, click OK. Now can you able to see? Like this, we got the structure.
Oh.
This we can go for 3D rendering. This is circular repeat. Okay. Otherwise, you can just select everything, go for circular repeat, and then Y direction. I'm just going for, or you can put some coordinates. What coordinate I'm going to put? In 6, I'm putting. In Z, I'm putting 3. Okay. Now I'm just going to put link steps, open base, click OK. Now can you able to see how accordingly we are getting some structure? But it is in I put a Z now. You need to put X and Y. X6, Y3, Z. Just X is X enough. Okay. I'm just going for link steps, open base, click OK. Now we got like this. Because 6, we have some space in between. That's why. Otherwise, you can just go to circular repeat. You can put 5 itself. Link steps, open base, click OK. Now we got like this. Okay. So like this, we can make use of circular repeats. So you also practice with translational circular repeats. This is good for designing our structures. So in geometry, we have learned lots of tools now. So insert node is similar to split beam. When you click insert node in the sense like it is coming like this, right? Like what we can do, we can just draw some beam. Okay. Now I'm just going for geometry, insert node. So the same it is coming.
Yes, this is
At the same time, I'm just going for geometry and split beam. It is also same. Okay.
Yeah.
This is for snapping. Okay. Snap node in the sense it will directly snap to the nodes.